Our third form of the equation of a line is point-slope form. This form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. M is still our slope, like it always is, and x1 comma y1 is just some point on the line. And I think that although the formula looks kind of complicated, it should actually be pretty easy to use. For example, we want to write the equation of a line in point-slope form with a slope of 4 going through the point 3 comma 6. So it should look like y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Our slope is just 4, because I told you the slope was 4. And the point that we're going to go through, our x1 and y1, is just 3 and 6. So I'm going to plug in a 3 over here and a 6 over here. My formula is y minus 6 equals 4 times x minus 3. And actually, I didn't have to do any algebra at all. I just filled in my values, and I'm done. In letter B, we want to write the equation of the line in point-slope form with a slope of negative 3/5 going through the point 1 comma 5. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. My slope is negative 3/5. My x1 is negative 1. My y1 is 5. So I'm going to get a formula, y minus 5 equals negative 3/5 times x minus negative 1. But I don't really want to leave those double negatives there. I'm just going to change that to a plus, and I'm going to say y minus 5 equals negative 3/5 times x plus 1. In part C, we're asked to write the equation of the line in point-slope form through those 2 points. The slope wasn't given, but that shouldn't be too hard to calculate. M equals 5 minus negative 1 over negative 1 minus 3. So this should be 6 over negative 4. We'll simplify that, and we're going to get negative 3/2. So I have my slope, and as far as the point goes, I actually have 2 options here. I can use 3 negative 1, or I can use negative 1 comma 5. If I use 3 comma negative 1, I'm going to get y minus negative 1 equals negative 3/2 times x minus 3, and I can simplify that to y plus 1 equals negative 3/2 times x minus 3. I could have also used the other point instead. That would have given me y minus 5 equals negative 3/2 times x minus negative 1, which becomes y minus 5 equals negative 3/2 times x plus 1. They look very different, but either one would be okay, and you'll see in a moment when we convert them, they're actually the same line.